So in this part, we are going to study about the wholes. So what are wholes? If you remember in the previous video, I told you that if we have any rational function, if we have, let me write it down, if we have any rational function in which we have, for example, here x plus 2 and x minus 3. I'm writing the solved part and x plus 3 and x plus 2. For example, this is the question, and in which there is a part of the function cancelled out because the numerator and denominator both share one common factor. So on simplification, this part is cancelled out. So I wrote in my previous video that this is not the vertical asymptote. But also I said that if we write here negative 2, right, means here in place of x, if I write here negative 2, this also makes a function undefined. So if it is not a vertical asymptote, then what is it? So it is, just take the part that is cancelled out from the denominator, not from the numerator, take every part, just from the denominator. If it is cancelled, take it from here and make it equals to 0 and solve for x, you will get negative 2. So what is this negative 2? This is a whole. So in grade 12, you will see that what is meant by whole actually. Actually, this is the removable discontinuity. It can be removed by some other numbers in other ways, and you will study in the calculus in the next year about it. But so far, understand that this is said to be whole. So the part that cancelled, the part in denominator that cancelled from the numerator is called whole. And the part that doesn't cancel from the denominator is called vertical asymptote. But again and again, I'm telling you that I am talking only about the denominator. I didn't use the word numerator. So forget about this thing. And what is it? We will study in the next video. But right now we are going to focus only on the whole. So try to understand by taking more questions. So for example, if you remember, we solved that there is x square minus 16. And if we have x square plus 9x plus 20, and we factored it by saying that the factors of x square minus 16 are x minus 4 and x plus 4, and the factors of x square plus 9x plus 20 are x plus 4 and x plus 5. X plus 4 is common in numerator and denominator and are dividing with each other, so they cancelled out. Now see that x plus 4 equals to 0, means focus on the denominator, write down the part that cancelled, and also write down the part that doesn't cancel. Make it equal to 0 one by one. Solve for x. So the first part, that is negative 4, and the second part is negative 5. Now this part x plus 4 cancelled. So this is said to be whole, and x plus 5 remained in the denominator. So this is our vertical asymptote. So understood how to determine from the equation the whole and the vertical asymptotes concept? Let's solve one more question. So if we have f of x equals to, let's suppose if we have, what do you want? So x square minus 25 divided by x minus x square minus x minus 20, then what do we get in this case? So in this case, the factors of x square minus 25 are x plus 5 and x minus 5, whereas the factors of the denominator are 5 times 4 gives us 20, and we need the minus x. So minus 5 plus 4 will give us the negative x. Now x minus 5 and x minus 5 cancelled out. Now focus on only the denominator. Only focus in the denominator. So the denominator says, that the first factor, that is x minus 5, equals to 0, and it cancelled, so it is said to be whole, and x plus 4 remained in the denominator, set it as equals to 0, and x equals to negative 4, and from the other side x equals to 5. So the remaining part is said to be vertical asymptote. Now if we write the domain, of course, whether we write the 5 here, it makes our denominator uh, undefined, and if we write here negative 4, also makes our function undefined. So in this case, we can say that domain is all real numbers except 5 and negative 4. At 5, we have the whole, and at negative 4, we have a vertical asymptote. So far we have studied how to find the vertical asymptote, how to determine the whole from the denominator, and it's same how to write the domain. And only we were focusing on the denominator part. We didn't focus at all on the numerator so far. And in the next video, we will see that how to find the zeros of the rational function from the numerator. So far, just stay tight and watch the video. If you have any comments, please write down. If you like the video, please like it, because I'm making the videos only for you and to clear your doubts. And if you still have the doubt, please do write me so that I will make more and more videos for you. Thank you very much.